First and foremost, thanks for being here, Martin.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Really appreciate the interview. So let's get right into it. So, describe what your experience has been playing in Malta.
It's been a good experience so far. This is my fourth season now, and first season wasn't the best, but I really grew into the league, and it's been good, you know, a nice place for me to showcase my talent and show the world that I can play football.
So you seem to be a dynamic midfielder, but what would you say is your best position on the field?
Naturally, I would say I'm a right winger, but you know, sometimes you fill in and play anywhere in attack. But if I was to pick a position, I would say right wing would come naturally.
Okay, so what aspect of your game do you think is the best?
I don't think I'm the fastest player, but I think I have a lot of agility, you know, a quick change of pace and speed, and I think that can give me an edge over a lot of my opponents, especially being so short as well, and players being big, you know, you can get off the mark.
What's your height?
Faster. I think I'm around 5'6".
All right, so going back to your St. George's days, how pivotal was that time in your career in helping you to become the player you are today?
It helped me to grow up a bit, you know. My first season was a bit rough, but it helped me to mature, you know. And it was a great stepping stone for me. Appreciate every moment I had with the team, Neville Bell, and all my teammates. Yeah.
So, as a player who has had a lot of overseas experience at a really young age, is it fair to say that players who get exposed to this are in a far better position than those who play locally?
Yes. Hands down, it's like night and day. The difference, just the whole culture, the styles of players, it's a whole science abroad than what it is right now, currently in Jamaica. I mean, there's a lot of improvements being made, and I see the efforts, but yeah, I think if a player goes abroad, he's gonna have an upper hand.
What do you think about schoolboy football in Jamaica? A lot of persons are for it, a lot of persons are against it. They think it's too much for the children, but a lot of persons think maybe it's the best thing to develop.
Yeah.
What do you think about schoolboy football in Jamaica on a whole?
I mean, personally, in my opinion, if a child is really serious about football, they should be trying to get out of Jamaica before they reach to the schoolboy level. But if you're there, of course it's a great way to show your talent. You see how many players come from the schoolboy league. But to me, I think that to really make it to the next level, you want to be leaving Jamaica before the schoolboy level. Personally, in my opinion.
What are the things that you think Jamaica locally football needs to improve on?
I think we just need to get more updated with the times. You know, there's as I said, football is a whole science to it, and I just think that we're still in a very basic, primitive time when it comes down to football in Jamaica, unfortunately.
You haven't made the Senior Reggae Boyz appearance as yet. Is this something that you are constantly working towards?
I go out there every single time on the field, and I give my 100%, and I try and help my team to win games. And if that brings a call up or anything, then I'm happy to accept. Because I feel like every club player should play for their national team. So I'm eager to be involved, but I'm just keeping my head down and working, doing what I can do on the field.
Do you think it's a case where you're being overlooked, or, I mean, I wouldn't want to tell you to compare yourself to any of the players on the team right now, but it's a case where you're probably watching one of the matches and you say, oh, you know, I could probably play a better right wing or probably play a better midfield or something to that effect.
I mean, I don't really compare myself to players really, but I know that, yeah, when I watch the games, I know that I could help the team. Simple as that. I know that I can bring something to the table by watching the games. But yeah, I'm not worried about being overlooked. I'm more like worried about the situation of football in Jamaica, because it's clear that I'm playing at a good level right now. Like, there is stuff all over the internet, YouTube and stuff to show what I've been doing. So at least a look-in or a car would have been, you know, good. But, you know, you just keep your head down and keep working.
What do you think about the quality of the Reggae Boyz team right now?
Oh, I'm loving the new additions and it's very exciting time. I have nothing but love for them and for all the players. And I think that if they get everything organized the right way, definitely we can go a very, 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 very far away because the talent is there, that's for sure.
Is there an ideal move that you would like to have for the next step in your career?
I don't have an ideal move, I just know that I want a bigger challenge than where I am right now, somewhere I can showcase my talent on a wider stage.
I mean, I would ask you to pick a team, but is there like a country?
I know I want to be in Europe, preferably. Yeah, playing at first division somewhere.
First division in Europe.
Whether it's Scandinavia or mainland Europe, but that's the goal.
All right, so what does a successful football career look like for Marty Davis?
I mean, just inspiring people coming up underneath me, being able to help my family and my friends and see everybody around me happy. I think that would be a successful career for me. Once everybody around me is smiling, I'm okay.
Cool. So, Champions League finals.
Yes.
Yeah. Who are you, picking to take home the title?
Would you believe me if I don't know who is playing in the Champions League finals right now?
Really? So you don't have a favorite?
No, as in when I'm playing in season, I'm very in tune to what's going on. But as soon as I get a little break, So who's playing in the finals?
Chelsea and Man City.
Oh, Man City.
Definitely. Oh, so you're a Pep fan?
Me and Raheem are friends. So but other than that,
message to the nation, message to the internet.
Well, to the children underneath me, just keep working hard and find your passion and believe in yourself. Even when people doubt you, just keep going. That's all I have to say.
Do you have a favorite English team?
Probably Man City.
Man City?
Yeah. My favorite team, Barcelona.
Okay. Why?
Neymar when he was there, and Ronaldinho when he was there, they made me fall in love with the club. So
are you saying that Neymar and Ronaldinho are necessarily favorite players?
Yes, definitely.
Is it a case where you mimic their style or study the style of them?
I don't try mimic their style because I cannot do what Neymar does on that field. But you learn from them, you take stuff from them, and they're the first players that actually made me feel excited, like
about
a joy
football.
I want to watch football. Other than that, it was boring to me until I saw their magic.
Tell me your favorite moment playing football, in your entire career so far. What's one of your favorite moments on the pitch?
We was playing, it was recently this season too, playing, I think it was a game we needed to win, one of the biggest teams in Malta. And I scored 2 goals in 4 minutes to win the game. I think it was to draw and then win the game. I think that was a beautiful moment for me. Yeah.
So are there any local coaches or international coaches that you kind of favor in terms of their playing style?
Not really. I feel like I learned from all of my coaches. I'm somebody that loves to soak up everything, but I can't really pinpoint one person. What's
one moment in your career that you think changed you for the better? Like that at that point in your career, this made Martin Davis a better thinker, footballer, person overall?
I think when I knew I was gonna get my daughter, it gave me a different drive. I think from then, ever since then, I've been on top of my game. So I think, she has to be one of my biggest motivations to my career so far. Perfect.
Perfect.